Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x80240025. There were some problems installing updates, error code 0x80240025, WUE user access disabled. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to go ahead and open up the search menu, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, select yes. Before you proceed in registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. So in order to create a backup, all you have to do is select File and Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer or external drive. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import and then navigate to the file location. So anyway, now we're ready to begin. So you want to start by double clicking on the HKey users folder. So double click on that. Do the same thing for the S/1/5/18 folder. So double click on that. And now you want to locate the folder that says software. So double click on that. Same thing for the Microsoft folder now. And now you want to locate Windows and double click on it. And there should be a policies folder in here. Double click on that one as well. Finally, there should be a Windows Update key. Now, if you need to pause the video and take note of our file path, each backslash up here is a different subfolder we've gone under to get to this point. So if you need to pause the video, you are welcome to. And now on the right side, there should be something that says Disable Windows Update Access. Go ahead and just select it, right click on it, and delete. You could tap the delete key on your keyboard as well. It's going to ask if you want to delete it. Select yes. And once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of the registry editor, and as well as any open programs and applications. And then you want to restart your computer. And now that you're back into Windows, hopefully your issue has been resolved. If you're still having an issue, you can open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Again, assuming you've checked for updates again, you're still having the issue. And go underneath troubleshoot settings. Underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and the run button. And hopefully it'd be able to resolve the issue as well by just running the troubleshooting utility. And then one final thing we can attempt as well, open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video, guys. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's the system file checker utility. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and then paste it in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that scan's finished, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video and paste that one into the command prompt as well and give this a couple minutes to run. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Now if you proceed to check for updates, you should hopefully be good to go at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.